Hello fellas, welcome back to a new video. I've came to meet Neil and his very unique Sierra Sapphire. This actually started out as a 1.6 basic Sierra Sapphire. Did you buy this or build it?
No, I've done a couple of bits to it. It was built before I bought it. I've just finished a few bits off that I liked.
And it's obviously, as you can see, it's a Sierra Sapphire replica. Very nice, mate. And we'll see, I like it. White two-wheel drive with ambers.
Yeah, I bought it with a 4x4 bonnet, the tinted rear lights, clear indicators at the front. And I've just, for a Saph, I think white, ambers, the proper rear lights in, and it looks super clean in white anyway.
No, it looks mint, this mine, mate.
So,
very nice. And it's even got the Sierra Sapphires, like front seating, hasn't it? The COSWORTH
yeah, front
seats.
and rear, yeah. Which are quite tidy, to be honest.
No,
not bad.
Nice. I wouldn't mind taking them home with us for my car.
I'll fight you for them.
Under the bonnet as well, we want a Pinto turbo.
Yeah, yeah. Pinto turbo.
Can we have a look?
Yeah, yeah.
So it is actually a 2 litre now, isn't it?
It's a 2 litre EFI with it's an eBay kit on it, T34 style turbo.
An eBay kit?
Yeah, they sell like turbo kits.
For Pintos?
Well, they're universal and you can make the manifolds to fit. And like I said, this was done before the only thing I've done, there was a boost leak. A friend of mine's looked at it, Edie, who knows all about these. He's put a bleed valve on it, blanked off the dump valve because it was just leaking a few pound of boost. So it now boosts about 10 psi.
Right.
It was boosting about 3, so it was a bit slow. And at 10 psi, it's nippy. You know, it isn't stage 3 COSI or anything silly like that, but it makes the right noises.
What do you reckon, about 200 brake, 190 brake?
180, 200. Let's guess. But the next thing would be COSI pistons, COSI rods, full stainless. This has got a stainless back box on it, but it's a standard exhaust.
It's a clean shell as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
looks
I mean,
like a good shell.
I haven't cleaned it. I've just literally, you know, it's a bit dirty down there, but it's not. It's not a rot box at all.
No, that's nice.
And 3 owners. That's why.
On the shell. Yeah. On the car, sorry.
On the car itself, 3 owners. Logbook's in my name, but even under the bonnet, I've just had this bonnet fitted. It's a standard bonnet. I've only just found out it's not a COSI bonnet, but I think you'd have to be a nerd to notice.
I was going to say that's a nerdy thing. That,
but it's a brand new old stock bonnet, just gone on.
Oh, I like this, mate.
And I put new door mouldings on it as well.
On the side, are you?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. So you've got your ambers as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
2-wheel drive COSWORTH wheels.
Yeah. There's a
side skirts.
There's a spare in the boot as well, which has just been refurbed, so all the wheels are done. It's literally, you could go to a car show in it tomorrow, drive it about. It hasn't got the logbook with it, but we've just had a guy come over to us before we started this, and he thinks it's genuine. It's just...
Well, you've got the badges on as well, haven't you?
Yeah, do you know what? They're the 4x4 badges, but I have actually got the 2-wheel drive badges because it's for sale, so the next owner can put them on. I just didn't want to risk peeling them off.
The car's for sale?
Yeah, I've put it up for sale recently.
How much are you asking for it, can I ask?
Well, it's up at 12,995, somewhere near that, but...
Mate, that's cheap for a Sierra turbo, isn't it?
I know a bit about Sierras, and if it was a genuine car with a genuine logbook and genuine engine, in this condition, it's that clean. I'd say it's 25 to 30 grand. So it's half price. And it makes the right noises, it's got the right look.
It looks mint.
It drives lovely as
well. It just looks like a standard 2-wheel drive Sapphire COSWORTH.
Yeah.
It looks mint.
I drove 300 miles in it the other day for a trip and didn't miss a beat. Drives really, really, really straight.
How many miles have you done in it since you've had it?
About 600, not a lot.
600?
It's one of a few cars, so I don't get to drive them all.
You're saying you've got a few kicking about. It is nice, mate. I like it. I like it. So what brakes are we on? Just standard, yeah. Standard brakes?
Standard brakes. Because it's not super quick, I've not bothered changing them, but...
well, I'm guessing you don't thrash it around anyway, do you?
Do you know what? You give it a bit of a blip and it makes the right noises, but you're never going to beat an RS3, even if it was a genuine COSI.
No. That's what I do with mine, just little blips now and then. And
it's not about that, it's pulling up at traffic lights and people giving you the nod and people appreciating them, and I used to have one of them, you know, it's more about that really, it's not about fast.
Oh, mate, I love your seats, mind. I love cloth seats in a COSI, especially in a Saph.
Well, do you know what, they're for sale, they're 12,995 and you get a free car with it.
Oh, I like that.
Brilliant, good deal.
So gearbox, Neil, I'm guessing we're on a Type 9 or something?
Yeah, Type 9. Like I said, 2 litre Pinto EFI. It's got COSI injectors, T34 style turbo, 500 intercooler,
500 intercooler.
Yeah.
I thought I seen a 2-wheel drive intercooler.
Oh, sorry. No, you're right. That's what I'm putting in me. That's what I'm putting in my 3-door.
So it's a
No,
2-wheel drive intercooler.
intercooler. Sorry, yeah.
Sounds like a Cosy mine.
I know.
Sounds exactly like a Cosy.
My favourite noise, that.
But the flutter.
Yeah. In a Cosy, if it doesn't make that noise, it's not a Cosy. It has to make that noise. If it's too quiet, it's not a Cosy.
This is quite quiet though.
Yeah.
Like it hasn't got a loud warning exhaust.
It's got a stainless back box, and that's it. So it could do with a full stainless putting on it, so it breathes a bit better and it'll be a bit louder. And
it sounds just like a standard Sierra, to be honest, till it flutters.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't wake my neighbours up, so that's a bonus. But I love it.
Mate, it pulls well though.
It's nippy and zippy. If people ask me, it goes all right.
Feels like a standard 2-wheel drive Cosworth.
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah. If you want more power out of it, you're into Cosy pistons, Cosy rods, different
Is this
management.
about the limit now for this engine?
Yeah,
then?
I wouldn't. It's got 10 psi running through it, and
my
friend set it up, Edie, and he said, that's it. It's safe. You can do it all day, but any more, you want to start spending more money on the engine. But
right.
Like I said, these days, I don't think it's about going fast in these. It's the look, it's the nostalgia, it's the smell, and even in a pimped up Cosy, you're not beating a Golf R these days.
No.
So you're going to get embarrassed. So it's about the noise, the look, the smell, how it makes you feel, and this just feels like you're driving a Sapphire Cosy.
No, it's a nice car,
mate. Race. I've always liked these Recaros.
That's one thing about Ford RS, they always put good seats in the cars, don't they?
Yeah.
Apart from the Mark 1 Focus RS. Yeah. I think they dropped a bottle there with them Sparkle seats.
Yeah. Well, any seat that can carry me and fit me in, I'm quite happy. There's not many.
No, it's a nice car, mate. Nice car.
It drives lovely. I have dailied it for a few weeks. Thing is with
comfortable.
these,
It's comfortable sitting here, like it's just a perfectly comfortable car.
The thing is with these, wherever you go, as you'll know, you make friends everywhere.
Everyone's got a Cosy story, haven't they?
Petrol stations, people just love them and like seeing them, and I like the fact that people appreciate them. And you could have something that's 10 times the value and people just walk past you. This is a talking point, and I like tinkering with stuff, so I've changed it to a 2-wheel drive look rather than a 4x4 look.
Because you've seen this started out as a 4-wheel drive look.
Yeah, 4x4 bonnet and smoke rear lights.
What wheels were on it?
Clear indicators. These wheels.
These wheels?
Yeah. I have got other wheels I could have put on it, but I just think these wheels are... I think this is the iconic colour for a 2-wheel drive Saf.
White,
white, and the wheels just are... I'd love a set of them 17s that the guys made.
Oh, aye.
I've seen your videos with that guy, but these just look... These suit the car.
They do.
Period
correct.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. For a replica, it's period correct, yeah. Just addicted to that noise. Can you get it as your ringtone? I'd like it as my ringtone.
Text message.
Yeah. I'm going to look now.
That's it, fellas. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see, this car is actually for sale. Neil, you haven't got Instagram, have you?
No.
If you're interested in the car, if you get in touch with me, I will get you in touch with Neil. How much are you asking for it, mate?
12,995.
12,995. That's it, fellas. If you're interested in the car, get in touch with me via Instagram, and I'll put you in touch with Neil. But yet again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Cheers.
Spot on, mate. Thank you.